Students, welcome back to your channel GK Student Corner. Today we will discuss about salts and different type of salts and pH of salts. Okay, in the last topic we have already discussed about base, properties of base. Okay, in today's topic we will discuss about salts and different type of salts. Okay, let us start. You see, प्रथम देखिए salt বা লবণ কাহাକୁ কুହାଯାଏ হ্যাঁ না salt is an ionic compound. When salt will dissociate in water, it will produce cation and anion. Okay, salt is an ionic compound. When salt will dissociate in water, it will produce cation and anion. The cation is other than hydrogen or hydronium ion, and the anion is other than hydroxyl ion. Okay, that means hydrogen ion जदि दौथिबो सेटा हम सॉल्ट कहि परिबा नाही कि हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन जदि दौथिबो ताले हम ताको सॉल्ट कहि परिबा नाही. ताले कोन हेतबो ना हाइड्रोजन आयन बा हाइड्रोनियम आयन एवं हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन एटा को छाडी कि आउ कोन ना जो काटायन और आयन जदि दौथिबो ताले हम ताको कोन कहबा ना सॉल्ट कहबा हने नहीं. तामाने कोन ना salt is an ionic compound. When salt will dissociate in water, it will produce cation and anion. Okay, are you clear? This is called your salt. Okay, common salt examples. Okay, what are the example of salts? Potassium chloride, ammonium chloride, you see sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate. There are many salts available in this universe. Okay, let us first आमे जो salt कहूचे ताले आमे गोटे लेमैन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कोन ना जने किछि दि जानि नथबो ताको salt कहले कोन बुझिबो से ना सोडियम क्लोराइड. सुनतु आमे जते बेले पढिबा salt विषय रे ताले आमे कोन जानिबा ना salt माने कोन ना बहुत सारे salt सब हमरो रहिछि. कॉपर सल्फेट, मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट, अमोनियम क्लोराइड, बेरियम क्लोराइड. दैट मींस एंती इननंबरेबल ऑफ सॉल्ट कोन है ना सब थाए हने नहीं. किंतु जो सोडियम क्लोराइड हम जोटा खाउचे आमे केवल खाउने सोडियम क्लोराइड कोन होची ना थ्रू आउट द यूनिवर्स कोन होची ना व्यवहार करा होची कोन ना खाइबा पई हने नहीं. तो सेटा को कोन कहआ जाय ना कॉमन सॉल्ट कहआ जाय. सोडियम क्लोराइड की कोन कहआ जाय कॉमन सॉल्ट. ओके, सोडियम क्लोराइड इज कॉल्ड एज कॉमन salt. Sodium chloride is called as common salt because sodium chloride is used all over the world as cooking salt. Okay, as cooking salt, sodium chloride is used all over the world, so it is called as common salt. Okay, जो गोटे आजिकल कोन ना फैमिली सब रही कोन ना साहू फैमिली, बेहेरा फैमिली, ना गोटे कॉलेज रो कि प्राची एकेडमी अडसपुर हाई स्कूल सेतक जेतक स्टूडेंट ताकू नै गोटे फैमिली हने नहीं. सेमती हमरा को जो सॉल्ट को कोन ना विभिन्न फैमिली रे कोन है ना डिवाइड कराई छी. कोन कहा को नै कि ना सेम कैटायन या सेम आनायन को नै कि गोटे गोटे फैमिली कराई छी हने नहीं. तार जो कार्बोनेट हने नहीं, कार्बोनेट को नै कि कोन ना कार्बोनेट फैमिली कराई छी हने नहीं. जो सॉल्ट रे आनायन कोन ना केवल कार्बोनेट थिबो ता कोन ना सेटा कार्बोनेट फैमिली. जो सॉल्ट रे कोन ना आनायन कोन नाइट्रेट थिबो सेटा होची नाइट्रेट फैमिली. जो सॉल्ट रे आनायन कोन थिबो ना क्लोराइड थिबो ताले सेटा होची क्लोराइड फैमिली. जो थरे कार्बोनेट थिबो सेटा होची कार्बोनेट फैमिली हने नहीं. पता ना में देखिबा किछि फैमिली हने एटा होची कोन ना हमरो क्लोराइड फैमिली. कोन ना सोडियम क्लोराइड, पोटेशियम क्लोराइड, लिथियम क्लोराइड, मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड एथरे कोन ना सब आनायन कोन रहची ना क्लोराइड रही. तेणु यहाँ हूँ क्लोराइड फैमिली. आपको हम कौन कह ना क्लोराइड फैमिली. ओके, दीज फोर सॉल्ट्स आर क्लोराइड फैमिली सॉल्ट. ओके, सिमिलरली सल्फेट, पोटेशियम सल्फेट, सोडियम सल्फेट, मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट, कॉपर सल्फेट, दीज फोर आर सल्फेट फैमिली salts. Okay, these four are sulfate family salts. Similarly, nitrate family salt, sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate, copper nitrate and calcium nitrate. Okay, these four are nitrate family salts. Okay, similarly your carbonate, you see here sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate. Okay, these are all carbonate family salts. Okay, that means amar kono na जो थे कौन ना केवल हूँ आनायन हूँ सेम आनायन रही है ना नहीं कौन हो ना आम गोटे गोटे फैमिली डिवाइड करें है ना नहीं यहाँ हूँ डिफरेंट फैमिली आम डिवाइड करें है ना नहीं बर्तमान आगू जावा कौन ना फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉल्ट सॉल्ट आम केमिति फॉर्मेशन हुए है ना नहीं आम जो सॉल्ट आमको मिलूँ है ना नहीं ताले सॉल्टा केमिति आसूची फास्ट हूँ कौन ना by neutralization reaction. Okay, salts are formed by neutralization reaction. Okay, first is your by neutralization reaction of acids and bases. By neutralization reaction of acids and bases you will get salt and water. Okay, that means when acid react with the base you will get salt plus water. Are you clear? That means by the neutralization reaction of acid and bases you will get salt plus water. Okay, here you see when sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid. Okay, this is your base, sodium hydroxide is your base, HCl is your acid. Okay, when acid react with base you will get salt, sodium chloride and plus water. Okay, this is the neutralization reaction. Okay, here you see sodium chloride salt. Okay, when sodium chloride will dissolve in water you will get sodium plus Na plus cation and Cl minus anion. Okay, जो Na plus जोटा हमर कहउची आको कोन कहउची ना बेसिक रेडिकल कहउची. Na plus ताको काहे की बेसिक रेडिकल कहउची काहे की ना the positively charged cation of the salt comes from the base. Okay, comes from the base. Okay, that means Na plus comes from sodium hydroxide base, so it is called as basic radical. Okay, similarly Cl minus comes from acid HCl, so it is called as acid radical. Okay, Na plus is called your basic radical and Cl minus called is your acidic radical. Are you clear? Understood? बर्तमान हूँ कौन ना फास्ट by neutralization reaction you will get salt. Okay, by action of acid and metals. Okay, when acid react with metal you will get salt. Okay, you will also get salt. You see here when metal react with acid salt is produced along with hydrogen gas. Okay, that means when acid react with metal you will get salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, see metal plus acid gives your salt plus hydrogen. Let us take an example. When zinc react with sulfuric acid. Okay, when zinc metal react with sulfuric acid you will get zinc sulfate as salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Okay, by the second process, that means by the action of acid on metals you will get salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, the third process is by the action of acids on metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate. Okay, when acid react with metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate you will get what? The salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. You will get salt along with water and carbon dioxide. Are you clear? That means when metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate will react with acid you will get salt along with water and carbon dioxide gas. Are you clear? Let us take one example. Okay, calcium carbonate is your metal carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a metal carbonate. When calcium carbonate will react with hydrochloric acid you will get calcium chloride as salt. You will get calcium chloride as salt and water and carbon dioxide gas. Okay, this is your metal carbonate. Similarly, when metal bicarbonate react with acid you will get salt along with water and carbon dioxide gas. Let us take sodium bicarbonate. This is your metal bicarbonate. So when sodium bicarbonate react with HCl hydrochloric acid, you will get sodium chloride as a salt and water and carbon dioxide gas. Are you clear? That means by these three process you can get salt. Okay, first one is by neutralization reaction. That means when acid react with base, you will get salt plus water. Second one is when metal react with acid, you will get salt plus hydrogen gas. Are you clear? Third one is your when acid react with metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate, you will get salt along with water and carbon dioxide gas. Are you clear? By these three processes we can get salt. Are you clear? Now pH of salts. जो आम जो सल्ट सब पाचे तार सब pH केमती आम पाइपर हाँ ना नहीं तार सल्ट ऑफ ए स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस विल बी न्यूट्रल इन नेचर. Okay, will be neutral in nature. A salt of strong acid and strong base. That means when a strong base react with a strong acid, you will get the salt, you will get the neutral salt. Okay, when a strong acid react with a strong base, you will get a neutral salt. Okay, the pH of neutral salt is 7. The pH of neutral salt is 7. Similar examples are sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, potassium sulfate, potassium chloride, sodium sulfate. These are all neutral salts. Okay, these are all neutral salts. Similarly, salt of a weak acid and strong base will be basic in nature. Okay, the salt of weak acid and strong base will be basic in nature. That means the pH of basic salt is less than 7. Are you clear? Understood? Examples are calcium carbonate, sodium carbonate and sodium acetate. Okay, these are all basic salts. Okay, these are all basic salts. Then a salt of a strong acid and a weak base. Okay, the salt of a when a strong acid react with weak base, you will get acidic salt. Okay, the pH of acidic salt is less than 7. You see here examples are ammonium chloride. Okay, sodium bisulfate, sodium bicarbonate. These are all acidic salts. Are you clear? Understood? Similarly, the pH of a salt of a weak acid and weak base. Okay, the ammonium acetate. Okay, ammonium acetate is the salt when a weak acid react with a weak base. Okay, this is the salt you will get when a weak acid react with a weak base. Okay, the pH of this type of salt is nearly 7. Okay, are you clear? Understood? In the next class we will study about the compounds which are prepared from common salt, sodium chloride. These are sodium hydroxide. You see sodium hydroxide, baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, washing soda, sodium carbonate, bleaching powder. Okay, these are the compounds which are prepared from common salt or sodium chloride. Okay, in the next class we will study about these compounds which are prepared from common salt or sodium chloride. Okay, aji rohuchi. In the next class we will discuss about these compounds. Okay.